Welcome! Today we are converting a standard Stream Deck into a hardware control room for your access cameras. No cloud servers or middleware are required. You hit a single key to talk directly to your camera. This setup allows you to trigger PTZ presets, switch live views, toggle graphic overlays, and start your broadcasts from a physical interface. To begin, you need the Stream Deck application version 6.5 or higher and a network-reachable access camera. You will also need your camera credentials and the CamStreamer suite apps installed on the device. By utilizing the camera's native API, we remove the need for complex manual coding. You get a reliable, broadcast-ready system that functions entirely on your local network. Let's start the connection. In the Stream Deck interface, look at the right-hand sidebar and find the folder titled Access Cam plus CamStreamer. This folder contains 4 native actions: PTZ Preset, CamStreamer Stream, CamOverlay Widget, and CamSwitcher Source. Drag the CamStreamer Stream action onto an empty key on your deck to begin configuration. This opens the Property Inspector. The top section is for global configuration. These settings are shared across all buttons, so you only have to enter them once. Enter your camera's IP address, your username, and your password into these fields. The plugin uses secure digest authentication. These credentials stay in the Stream Deck global settings on your local machine and are sent only to your camera. Now that the connection is established, the physical deck functions as a direct extension of the camera hardware. Look at the Stream dropdown at the bottom of the inspector. The plugin queries the camera's internal database to show you a live catalog of your available streams. Instead of typing a command, you simply select your desired stream from this list. This automated fetching removes the risk of a typo breaking a long CGI URL. You can use this same workflow to map out the rest of your board with different utility actions. To add a camera preset or a graphic, drag the corresponding action and pick the preloaded option from its drop-down menu. Because the camera serves as the single source of truth, your deck is always synchronized with the camera's current features. To provide real-time updates, the plugin uses a live state polling loop. It checks the camera status every 3 seconds while the keys are visible. When you press a stream key, the display shows starting while the connection is being established. Once the broadcast is live, a solid red tally dot appears on the key, so you can see your on-air status at a glance. Other actions use different indicators. For example, the CamSwitcher key uses a solid color highlight to show which view is currently active. This feedback system ensures you know your true output state without needing to look at an external monitor. You have now integrated your desktop into a professional, error-free command center for live video production. For future setups, your camera can export a Stream Deck profile file. Double-clicking this file will automatically map your keys for you. Test your mapped keys now. Trigger your PTZ moves, toggle your overlays, and start your stream to see the hardware in action. Download the plugin today to establish your direct API connection and move your broadcast workflow to tactile hardware control.